In this video, I'll show you how to solve this simple algebra problem. So it's asking which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown below, and the expression is 24 divided by 4 plus 3 times 9 minus 5 in parentheses, and then that squared. So we can't approach this problem by straight going right through the equation and going left to right, or else you'll get the wrong solution. What you have to do is, there's a certain order that you need to follow when you're given multiple operations in a given equation. So we can remember this, the steps or the operations that you need to do first by an acronym, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS, that stands for parentheses, then it's exponent, and then it's multiplication, then division, addition, then subtraction. And remember, this is just PEMDAS is just the it's just the order that you have to go by when you're given this type of equation. Say if you go addition before division or addition before multiplication, you'll get the wrong answer. So you have to make sure that you're following the list correctly. So first thing we have to look for. First thing we have to look for is, do we have any parentheses in our equation? So let's jump back into the equation. So do we have any parentheses? So what's in our parentheses? In our parentheses, which are right here, that's our P. That's 9 minus 5. So I'll write that over here as well. So in this equation, it's 9 minus 5, and this would be equal to 4. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So we've completed the parentheses part. So let's go ahead and check that off. So once we've checked that off, we can move on to exponent. Now, where's our exponent? Do we have any? We do. Right here is our exponent. Now, with this exponent, the exponent is on the parentheses equation. So what did we get as our parentheses? That was 4. So this becomes let's set up our new equation. So let's set up our new equation. We have 24 divided by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4, and then our to the power 2. So that's our exponent. Now, when you do an exponent, it's not the entire equation, it's only the parentheses, the number that it's above, and that would be 4. So and squared is the same number times itself. So what's 4 times 4? 16. So our exponent, that one's equal to 4, this one's equal to 16. And let's go ahead and check off our exponent. Now let's write, once again, our new equation. So you've got 24 divided by 4 plus 3 times what we found earlier with the exponent in the parentheses. Now it's 16. And notice how we've gotten rid of the exponent because we just used it. Now, what's our next step? Next, we have multiplication. Is there any multiplication in this problem? There is, right here. It doesn't necessarily have to have the multiply symbol. If there's a number next to the parentheses and there's nothing in between, it's counted as multiplication. But if the number is on the right of the parentheses and it's smaller and it's above, that would be our exponent, like over here. And here, that's our multiplication. Now, what's 3 times 16? Let's write that out. 3 times 16. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry the 1, 3. And then now, that would be 48. So now let's write our new equation. This becomes, let's go ahead and actually check that off because we finished multiplication. It's good to keep track, so that way you don't lose your spot. So now we have 24 divided by 4 plus what we found, 3 times 16, 48. Now, what's our next step? We have to find anything with division. Is there any division in this problem? There is, right here with the division symbol. So 24 divided by 4. What's 24 divided by 4? That's 6. So our division is 6. Let's go ahead and mark that off. So we have 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Now, what's our new equation? Our new equation is 6 plus 48. Now, our next step in PEMDAS, is there addition? Yes, there is. Addition is right here. And what's 6 plus 48? That would be 54. And now we have no other orders or operations to go through. So 54 is our final answer. And we can just go ahead and just mark off subtraction and addition because we finished our problem. And so our final answer would be 54. And let's check our answer choices. And answer choice E is 54. So just to recap, you have to, when you're given an equation like this, you have to follow PEMDAS. A good way to remember it is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but use that if you need to. Just remember, P is parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And then you're going to go through this list, and then you're going to go through this list and check off every time you complete that operation in your given equation. And using that method, you will be able to get your final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos. Thank you.